Hello students, welcome to our YouTube channel Vedanta IAS Academy by the director SP Verma. We will be discussing few current affair topics in today's program of multiple questions to help IAS aspirant students. So let's start the program. Question first. Which of these institutions form part of the World Bank Group? First, International Finance Corporation. Second, International Monetary Fund. Third, Multilateral Investment Guarantee Agency. Fourth, United Nations Economic and Social Council. Select the correct answer using the codes below. Option A, 1, 2 and 3 only. Option B, 1 and 3 only. Option C, 2 and 4 only. Or option D, 1, 2 and 4 only. The correct answer is option B, 1 and 3 only. Question second. Consider the following about the Annual Public Forum, WTO's flagship event. First, it is the publisher of the World Trade Statistical Review since 1995. Second, it provides a common platform for heads of state, trade and developmental issues. Which of the above is or are correct? Option A, 1 only. Option B, 2 only. Option C, both 1 and 2. Or option D, none. The correct answer is option B, 2 only. Question third. Which of the following does not come within the ambit of the United Nations? Option A, maintain international peace and security. Option B, protect human rights. Option C, upholding international law. Or option D, all come in its ambit. The correct answer is option D, all come in its ambit. Question fourth. Which of the following are not the principal organs of the United Nations? First, International Court of Justice. Second, Economic and Social Council. Third, WTO. Choose the correct answer using the codes below. Option A, 1 and 2 only. Option B, 2 and 3 only. Option C, 3 only. Or option D, 1 and 3 only. The correct answer is option C, 3 only. Question 5th. Consider the following statements about the composition and working of the United Nations Security Council. First, its non-permanent members are elected by the UNGA for a term of 2 years. Second, its decision is binding on all UN members. Third, any expansions in the composition of the UNSC will need the approval of both the UNSC and UNGA. Choose the correct answer using the codes below. Option A, 1 only. Option B, 2 and 3 only. Option C, 1 and 3 only. Or option D, all of the above. The correct answer is option D, all of the above. Question 6th. Which of the following are not the permanent members of the United Nations Security Council? First, Russia. Second, Japan. Third, USA. Fourth, Germany. Choose the correct answer using the codes below. Option A, 1 and 2. Option B, 2 only. Option C, 1 and 3. Or option D, all of the above. The correct answer is option B, 2 only. Question 7th. Consider the following about the United Nations Economic and Social Commission for Asia and the Pacific. First, it is the first agency to have its international headquarters in India. Second, it coordinates the initiatives of major international NGOs operating in Asia Pacific. Third, India had acceded to ESCAP membership even before its independence. Select the correct answer using the codes below. Option A, 1 only. Option B, 2 and 3 only. Option C, 3 only. Or option D, 1, 2 and 3. The correct answer is option C, 3 only. Question 8. International Maritime Organization is mandated to regulate option A, hydrocarbon extraction from disputed territories. Option B, resolving jurisdiction issues related to maritime claims. Option C, shipping in international waters. Or option D, climate related parameters in ocean currents, tides and waves. The correct answer is option C, shipping in international waters. Question 9. Consider the following about carbon offsetting and reduction scheme for international aviation developed by the International Civil Aviation Organization. First, ICAO decided to develop CORSIA because aviation emissions were not covered under Paris Agreement. Second, India led the negotiation committee that drafted CORSIA and recently ratified the scheme that will be operational from 2018. Which of the above is or are correct? Option A, 1 only. Option B, 2 only. Option C, both 1 and 2. Or option D, none. The correct answer is option D, none. Question 10th. Under the following with the reference to the United Nations Economic and Social Council, first, members are appointed on rotations basis by the United Nations Secretary General. Second, seats on the council are based on geographical representation. Third, International Labour Organization is one of its sub-agencies. Select the correct answer using the codes below. Option A, 2 only. Option B, 1 and 3 only. Option C, 2 and 3 only. Or option D, 1, 2 and 3. The correct answer is option A, 2 only. Thank you for watching our video. If you like our video, please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon.